And I'm telling you now, that's why now Tatu Fazi, how about the background? I'm going to need you. I don't know what we need. Go check the background. Yeah. Bega, into my color, into my ensayo, into my exercise. Now you're touching him. Who told out that corner? My shall you 12. By who them super shy to non faccio pochera. Let the pagato sotulele. Tabutum. Let Muyanasho. La vera. I background di Havanawe. And let's not think about Jehovah. Ushayna Matoro. Udibaba. La Matamo. Angapila. Lilina. Baba. Upula. I'll pay the background, but and it is already time to call Bishop and see. And I agree with him on this point to concede. Who did the way? Umamako. I treat to Babako. Now touching Tomazana, that's how. Then Tomazana you sit down. I'm honest with you. No mama no choila kuna no baba te wena ngizo ngithini. Lo mntana yafunda wosa wena uthi bonisiwe ngizothatha. After a couple months uzo actor. Khona la sokutshela khona te wena ngikhuluma nawe. Bathe ngisukela nini ungizo ngowe. Akazenzi lentunyile ebhedlela kama. Nawuthatha la khona namngena ubaba namngena umama athathazela ubaba athule umama bekibheka teqinisekana nendlela yokudoda nga bokuba isikhathi sokumlimisebenzini le kamoyenzana indlela yosebenza uthatha umntana walapho she's going to be double or triple what the mother is la khona umama khomba khona ubaba so ade wena ngikhuluma nawe awungizwa ngikhuluma nawe bheka la mantombazana angeke bahlale emshadweni. It's not a curse, it's the truth. Ngoba lento ijwayele uso exercise ukuthi umama mbeke menza so babami. I think that is right and namhlanje kunjalo nobakhuza bakutshela manje ukuthi lalela bhuti i-law it's on our side as female figures. Uhlala manje ejele yokubophisa kuzovela amabhaka ayi-7 akulande. Lalela la uthatha endlini enjalo chaka the background. Umama khona bengayirespect le ndoda ungathathi kuloyo muzi.